What's up, everybody? Minnesota Shooter here. Got my Glock 19C Gen 3. I just ordered some parts for it, and I want to give it a quick cleaning before the parts get here, so I can install the new shiny parts into a slightly less dirty gun. First thing I'm going to do is take it apart, and I like to use the new method I discovered. Works great with this gun. Is if you hold it just right, a little bit of an angle like that, and drop it. Takes itself apart. Now let me take you off the tripod so you can see. There you go. All disassembled. Gotta make sure you drop it from just the right height for that to work though. Go ahead. Everybody go grab their Glock and give it a try. Got a new one of those springs. Got a new spring for in there. It's not really focusing. I got one of those springs. I've never taken that spring off before. That'll be fun. I got a new trigger connector bar coming. Yeah, it'll be fun. Of course, now that I did this, I realize I want to put it back together because I just ordered a trigger pull tester. I want to test it, put all the new parts in, test it again, see what the differences are. Oops. Oh well. Alright. But that's my gravity disassembled Glock.